So now with Home Network Connect, what we can do is we can join have the SPA log into our home network, and then without having to select static IP and do all of that stuff, we can have the SPA log into the home network, and then from your home network you can either be on the internet and then launch the app and it will find the SPA. So the way to log into the home network is we're going to connect like we just did. So now we're connected, and let's just show over here, show this part quickly. So we have this router here to simulate your home network. It's just a standard Linksys router. Okay, the SSID is the name of your network, the name you gave your network when you first set it up. This one is called Home Network, password Global SPA. Encryption is WPA2, and security is TKIP and AES. Okay, now where could I find that to find out what mine is? I'll just bring up my computer screen here. I'm going to log into the home network, and there's other videos that explain how to do this as well, but Linksys is at 192.168.1.1. Okay, so I type that in. Oh, I first have to join the home network router. Okay, there it is, home network. Click on setup and wireless. Okay, basic wireless settings. You can see my SSID is home network. Okay, wireless channel is 6. That's a different video. And I'll click on security here. You see my mode is WPA2. Okay, there's some other options, WPA and WEP are other common ones. So I'm WPA2, and my algorithms are TKIP and AES. Okay, and that's my password there, Global SPA. So now as soon as you know what those settings are, we'll come back to the Android app here. Make sure that you're connected, and you know you're connected because you can control the SPA. We're going to click on settings and router settings. Okay, you need to make sure you have software 1.201 or higher installed in the SPA, and that's a different video to learn how to do that. But if you have that, and then you just type in all of these settings that we just went over. So the SSID is home network. Going to change that. And the password, if you remember, is Global SPA. Okay, we have WPA2 is our encryption type, and security protocol. If it's both, you can select one or the other, it doesn't really matter. Okay, and if you have different encryption, that's where you select that, and then hit save. It's going to ask you, you're about to change your network settings. If the new settings are not correct, you will not be able to connect to the device, blah blah blah. Do you want to do this? Hit continue. Okay, and it's going to count down from 90 seconds. And what it's doing in that 90 seconds is it's taking those settings that you put in, and the processor card is sending that to your Wi-Fi unit. And you can see the lights here are going crazy, showing there's activity. And then the SPA's Wi-Fi is going to shut down. See, it just shut down. Okay, and when it starts back up, it's going to attempt to log into your home network. Okay, so you can see it's starting up, the second light, and the third light will come on. And it's going to try to log in. Okay, just wait the full 90 seconds. The timer is on the app. And if it logs in successfully, so you can see the back to this, this home network, this particular home network uses the IP 192.168.1.1, so that's the home Wi-Fi, and then it's going to give out addresses to everything that logs in. Now if the SPA logged in successfully, you can see in the low-level programming the last 3 digits of that octet. So we'll go into low-level programming. Let's finish counting down now. I'm going to hold down the filter key for 10-12 seconds until it says LLP. Okay, then let go. We have a 1-pump SPA, no blower, peak 2, has ons in. This is filtration suspend is off. And then you have IP static. Now IP static, you want it to be set to static unless you ran a cable. So if you ran a cable from your home router all the way out to your SPA, you would change this to dynamic, and you don't have to do this login step. Okay, that's if you run a cable, so make sure it's static. And then the next one, if it's logged in successfully, you'll see the octet. So this is .101. So that's where it is on the network, which is whatever, it's telling you that it has logged in. So it's successfully logged in. Can't think of words right now for some reason. If it hadn't, it would just go right from IP static to breaker setting. Okay, so we know this one is logged in. So now we're going to come back to our Android. And I'm going to force close the Arctic app. So go to settings. And I'm going to go to applications, because the app will run in the background unless you force close it. Manage applications, Arctic SPAs, and force stop. Okay, so that will stop it from running. I'm going to go back to wireless and networks and my Wi-Fi settings. Okay, you'll still see it's connected directly to the hot tub. Now remember, we had it on static IP. We're going to want to take it off of that. So I'm going to go menu, advanced, and take it off static IP. Okay, and now I'm going to connect to my home network. And the password is global SPA. Now this password would be whatever you would set it up as on your home network. And connect. Okay, you can see up here it's connecting, obtaining an IP address, and now it's connected to my home network. Okay, so this would be, and you've probably already done this, have your Android set up to connect to your home network. So we're going to go home. Now we have the SPA is logged into the home network, the Android is on the home network. Launch the Arctic SPAs app again. And now it's looking for it on the home network, and there it found it. Okay, and same thing, it might take about 30 seconds to a minute or so before you can start controlling it. Or not even, so there you go. So this will do a couple of things. It's a pain, if you've been using this before, it's a pain to leave your home network, have to join the SPA network in order to control the SPA, and then if you want to use the internet or check your email or whatever, you have to leave the SPA network and join the home network. So now with the SPA logged in, you never have to switch networks. So the SPA is logged into your home network, and you just, whenever you want to check on your SPA, launch the app, and away you go. So that's great. And it will also extend the range. So you might have noticed that the range isn't all that great from the SPA because it's sitting amongst a pool of water and a bunch of motors and electronics, and the range isn't very far. So now that it's logged into your home network, it works anywhere your home network reaches. So anywhere in your house. And that's how you connect the Android.